Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. It means a lot. In today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Lincoln MKX and we'll show you guys where the front airbag crash sensors are located. We guys have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below for all the hard work we do. Now, we'll guys show you quick where they're located and we'll explain what needs to be done to replace them. First thing, guys, you will need to remove your bumper to get to them. Or some people just remove the top, the top bolts and clips on the grill. And once you do that, you can open it a little bit and reach them, and I'll show you where. If you want to see the whole video, it's on our channel World Mechanics, guys. As you know, we have 3 channels that we're trying to keep up with. We have different content, so please check it out. Once you guys remove your bumper cover, on your Lincoln MKX, you're going to notice that right here, guys, that's where your airbag sensors are located, right here. And in order to remove and replace those, guys, first you need to have your car battery disconnected. We don't have a battery, we removed it. You have to disconnect the car battery at least 1 hour before you mess with the airbag system. You have to be extremely careful working here, because if you hit it, you can deploy your airbags. Now, some people do it without removing the bumper. All you have to do here, you have a few bolts and clips, and you're going to pull the grill this way a little bit, and you can reach with a wrench and remove them. But that way, guys, we can show you a little bit better where things are. So, all we need now is 8mm socket, guys, and we're going to go ahead and remove the bolt. Let's see. It's a little bit smaller. It's actually a 7mm, guys. 7mm. Part numbers and all that is here. We'll have it listed in the description of the video below, guys. And you can see where we buy our parts and our tools from, guys. So hopefully that can save you some money. The wire, guys, how you disconnect? You can disconnect the wire before you remove it. And right here you push down. Push down. You hear the click and pull it out. Do not pull for the wires, always grab for the plastic part, because if you pull the wires you may get an airbag light on, because you will not have a communication with the sensor. So it is, guys, 8mm socket. It is 8mm. We made a mistake. So we're going to go ahead and remove the bolt now. And this is it, guys. This is your frontal crash impact airbag sensor on Lincoln MKX. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.